Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on charging information in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn on our charging info, we have to go to Settings, then in Display menu, at the bottom we have Show Charging Information. Now it's turned off. What does it do? Show battery level and estimated time until full when always on display is off or not shown. So let's turn this little option here. It should be turned on by default, but if this info is somehow turned off, we can find it here and turn it on. I hope this video was helpful to you, so please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.